fire car. Yeah guys, so I made it out of bed and I want to go to Terry Blacks BBQ, but it opens 11:30, no 10:30, and it's 10. This time is it? It's this time. Tell me that those ain't the best places here with seats. That's just a WWE ring. And you have a nice view. Not this, but I don't know. Somewhere there. I would like to see like a new finish on this one. On the wood. So I'm at the, I think it's the north entrance of the capital, and I just walked past these stones here on that road, and there's something on them. There are different words with different meanings. I don't know what it is, but I don't know. I think it's just another thing of showing respect to people, because this is some, I don't know, Deborah Dietering. I don't know, man. It's crazy how much Texas here is about showing respect to people, especially. Yeah, it's the north entrance. There's North Plaza, and it's crazy how much respect they show to people and Texas in general. This kind of national pride should be something for Germany in a non-war way. This is the Texas Peace Officers Memorial. I don't know what a peace officer is, but they did their duty, huh? Their service, duty service, I don't know. Bravery, honor. Somebody gonna tell me what a peace officer is. The freedom tree with a vision of universal freedom for all mankind. This tree is dedicated to prisoners of war and missing in action from Texas, 1937. Oh, nice. Oh, don't look into the sun. Dude, that's just, this is one me in here. This. But this is what a wagon is like. The size of it. Holy shit. Da steht er. It took me now to understand, after sleeping in this shit, that this was the whole time open. This is locked. I sleep like this. What the hell? Naja. Guys, look at that view, huh? What a beautiful view. Guys, do you see that truck there on the left lane? Holy shit, man, this guy followed me and he's driving faster than me. This is incredible. You would never, okay, you don't see him anymore. You would never see that here in Germany. This truck, he never turns off the fucking the side indicator, the left or right light. What the hell? You don't see him, right? Wait. Driving in America is crazy. You see him, he's still having the fucking lights on. Now he's not getting it. What the hell? You see him? He's driving faster than me. I don't get it. I love America. This Coke tastes like exactly the one in Europe. Perhaps the one. Okay, this is actually something I would buy like immediately when I was living here in Texas. Like 5,000 for a quad. It's just crazy to be here in Best Pro Shop. I don't know, seeing those American products in stores, it's crazy. But I put you on my chest now, so I will talk to that a bit. Oh, these are... Also, nee. I thought these are... They are boards that you can... Like surfboards that you can ride and then you can like surf without waves. When Germans think about fishing, it's like with those swimmers or whatever they're called, right? And not the fly fishing. I don't know if Americans consider fishing fly fishing, but you would have this laid back fishing in Germany more often. Power bait, the general. It's so disgusting. The smell of it. I don't know. I don't like that. I like the real worms and sometimes corn. I don't know. We could fish carp with corn. Both starts with a C. I don't know if that's the reason. Or this paste. I don't know. But this is the three things I would. Holy crap. Square gill. Fly fishing. This is something I never did. Or are these worms? Yeah, big red worm. Big red worm. This is the night crawler. What the hell? Night crawlers, Canadian. These are worms as well. Okay. Crippy man. Crippy Max. Okay, oh, this is important here. I always use that fishing line, or what is it called? Suitable. Not strength. Well, what the hell is this? What do you call it? Yeah, fishing line. Yeah. I always use the one that my grandpa gave me. Was the cheapest and best option. He always did the knots as well, so I never learned that, and I stopped fishing at a certain point. So, yeah, at one point I want to go to America or Canada for fishing, but now it's just not the right time. Expensive enough this trip. Okay, this is needed for fly fishing, right? Bad marabou. Okay. Fly trying kit. Emaille. I don't like that stuff. Peg axe, hatchet. Pie iron. Oh no. You can... Oh, that's crazy. Bass Pro boxes. I gotta touch them once because we don't have those in Germany. Dude, the feeling is nice. Wow, okay. You barely can fit in. Holy crap. Dude, the smell is nice. It's like a brand new smell. Fuck man, $300. It's like €260, right? Like when I was in America, I would buy one of those instantly because I don't know, it's just too much hype that I have to follow. But I don't know, since I'm not there, I'm not here in America, for a living. I don't see a sense, really. I don't see a reason buying one of those. Oh, I always pinch my chest hair in the turkey fryer. Holy crap, wait. First, okay, this is the stuff they also sell you. So you put them into the thing, and then it stays more cool. Or it should be cool without them, right? Rambler, food storage. Oh, 35 bucks. What the fuck? I saw one guy making a turkey with that. You deep fry it, and it's actually nice. It stays more moist because you have more heat, and then you have more moisture inside. Never done that, but I think that's a viable method of how to make turkey. I don't know why, but I want to buy one of those Yeti things. Meat processor. We used to make our own sausage. Isn't there ammo somewhere? This...
Company, sir?
Hello, sir.
Is help find anything?
I'm just watching. I'm German. I can't buy anything.
Oh, okay. So you just
Yeah.
You go, sir.
Hello, sir.
We give you one of these yet?
Sorry,
Where's home?
I'm from Germany.
Okay.
First time here in Texas.
How often do you come back to the States?
I was just once here.
Just once?
Yeah.
Do you think
yeah.
you'll be back
Texas.
next year?
I don't know. It's expensive coming to Texas for a European.
Where at in Germany?
Do you know Dortmund, the soccer club? Dortmund?
No.
Bayern Munich? Munich?
Yeah. I know Munich.
That's where I live now.
Oh, nice.
Thank you.
Spent Oktoberfest in Munich.
Yeah. What do you say?
2004.
2004. It's like the only big thing that could compete with Texas, right? Yeah.
It's fun. Beautiful place.
Yeah, but I like it here as well. It's, right now, I think I have good weather, right? It's
Better
not too
beer in
hot.
Germany, though.
I don't know. Haven't tried it yet.
Better barbecue here.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you. Ich verstehe die Leute hier einfach gar nicht. I don't want to go there though. You can choose if you want to shoot one or crack a cold one here. $400 for like one Yeti thing or one rifle. The geese or gooses, geese. No. Dude, I have a trauma from stuffed animals. Dude, I'm an M here in America, right? $64. It's actually nice. Do they have a video? No mirrors. Mirror. That's a little bit too big. How can... I think it has to be like that, right? Okay, I will take this one. I hope this is $60 as well. I just I have to think about it again that there were just 5 guys or 5 people. That I don't understand them, and they are all so nice and they want to talk to me, but I don't understand them. I like this sand color here, or this beige. But this won't fit me as well, and it's too thick. It's too thick. I won't like it. This looks better, right? Talking to a camera, what the fuck? I don't think that this will fit my skin. I'm so fair. I'm gonna try these on, right? Okay, I will check these other. I don't want to go to the ladies area. I know that these people here seems different. So